What's on the recipe today, Jim? Come on then, who said that? Right. You'll be quite old if you know that one. This is a 1975 Moroccan 5 dirhams. Guess what we're going to do with it today? Yep, we're going to turn it into a ring. Makes a change, doesn't it? Right. Here we go again. A bit of jollop on the old punch. And we'll go over. Sexy looking today. Big Bertha. 1/2 inch punch I'm using today. And this is a 20-ton hydraulic press. That amazingly keeps working. Right. This is quite a thick coin, so this is probably going to want a lot of fire on it. And it's going to want to slap on the bottom. Right. How's she looking? Break out Christy Burr, mighty burring tool. We just want to clean up that edge. Pardon me. That is good, yeah. That's very good. Right, let's show a bit of love with Bernie. I don't think I've done a Moroccan coin before. This is an Ian coin as well. Thank you, Ian. Let's get it really, really hot. I think that's hot enough. Right, let's dry it off and see what we got. What about this side? No. Some guy with a hole in his head. So we'll go with this side face down in the die, and this will be sunny side up on the ring. So we get out our absolutely wonderful, my favourite tool, as Gary well knows, tapping block, and we'll go over to Big Red. Right, let's see what this does. I need to get my table fixed big time. Oh la la, cha. I think that's as far as that went. There you go. So we now want to find one of my 17-degree folding dice that it will fit in. It fits in this one quite nicely. A bit too much. Just want to get it levelish. Right, back over to Big Red, and I'll finish folding it with 70-degree folding die. Ooh la la, cha. Yeah, I think you're right, Gary. Right, let's get out Sandy's sister. Looking good. It's a very thick coin, so we're going to warm it up again with a bit of love and affection. Okay, that should do for that. Ouch! Bloody hell. That's still a bit hot, but my bloody finger. Right. Let's go over to Mr. Spike and see what he's going to behave with us today or not. This just stretches the ring. Give it a bit of a turn each time. Oh, it's getting tight again. It's getting hard. I think, see, it's still got a bow in it. So I show a bit more love with Bernie. Check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a link in the description. I don't just do rings, I do other stuff as well. Bracelets and earrings and stuff like that. Pendants. There'll be some beautiful pendants coming soon. I've got that puppy sorted out. I'll be doing a video on that soon. All right. So if you're from Morocco and you're looking for a coin ring, I'd like to go to Morocco. There's loads of countries I'd like to go to. I've been to quite a few, but not the exotic ones, you know. I'd like to go to India as well. Right, I think we're going to have to heat it up again. Because this is a very, 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 very thick coin. And I like it, and I don't have any other Moroccan coins, so I'm going to look after this one. Okay, that's good. Oh, this one still holds the heat. Jesus wept, it's really hot still. Right. There's probably a lip in here we want to cut out. Yeah, there is. See that lip there? That's got to go. It's just got to go. Right. Pretty nice. Right, let's go over to the bottom end of Spike. And these are reduction dice. God, stuff everywhere. Nope, we need to change it. My pussycat, Vivi. God. I went a bit too far, I think. I want to go a little bit back the other way. Just a tad. Is that looking? No, back the other way. It's fun, isn't it? Right. A tad more, I think. Let's have a look with the eye. It looks good in some places. I'll tell you what, let's just go. There you go, sexy as ever. Perfectly straight walls. Right, let's go over to Dave the Dremel and Kate Bush. Kate Bush is already in there. She's still not looking too bad. Give more volume. Right. I have to change Felton John soon, he's getting tiny. So there you go. This is the brushed Edwin look. It's quite nice, isn't it? You got all the detail on the inside still. Hence the let's clean that other edge. Put Kate back in again. I just want to do that edge so I cut out. It's looking a bit ropey. That's better. Right, now we can put in Felton John. Put some jollop on it. My bloody finger hurts. Right. Getting a bit warm. Right, how are we looking? Yeah, it's come out quite nice. Right, what have we got? Quite nice, eh? Nice bit of reed there. Right, size-wise. Size-wise. There we go. Do the old Yankee Doodle magic wand. Always measure from the reeded side of the coin. It's the thickest part of the coin. And on this one, we've got a size 10. Just over 10.5. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. I like it. I like it. Fits this finger perfectly. Thanks for watching. Hope you're all having a great week. And I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.